y'all? I'm Tammy. Welcome back to the channel. If you were with me last week, you saw me moving some things around in the garden and a few updates, but I realized I failed to give y'all what happened before leading up to that moment. So stick with me today. We're doing some more updating in the garden. And like I said, if you saw last week's video, this will kind of explain how we got to where we are. So right now I'm just doing some maintenance. I'm filling some holes from where my mums were in this left garden bed with in-ground soil. I fertilized some things with plant tone and transplanted these hostas in here. If you saw last week's video, you would have seen Annual's Cove with marigolds all around it, but I failed to show you me putting the marigolds in. So this is just a rewind real quick to show y'all me getting them in the ground. It took a good bit of time. I think I had a total of 23 marigolds. I had 10 African marigolds and 13 French marigolds that I put in here in Annual's Cove. If you checked out my videos from last season, you will know that I did have some French marigolds in here last season. I really loved them and wanted to stick with them. We went a different direction than the celosia that I had in from last year. So stay tuned to see where we go with that.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. love the woman that can take and swap my love.
Me, can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause nothing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me?
Okay, last thing I'm gonna be doing for the day is re-fertilizing my azaleas. So I went to Ace Hardware and found a smaller bag of holly tone for evergreens and azaleas. This is also good for hydrangeas. It's good for acid loving plants. So originally in a previous video I just put down plant tone because I didn't want to have to buy multiple fertilizers, but this was $6.99 at Ace, so I was like, might as well. So I'm going to put this down to water everything in and call it a day. If you stuck with me this long, I really appreciate you. Thank y'all so much for being here. And please do like and subscribe. It's a great help to the channel. As you can see, I'm super new here and really hoping to grow my audience and what I'm able to do and show y'all. So liking and subscribing really helps. And hope to see y'all here in the next one. Bye, y'all. Okay. Tammy from the future here, and I gotta show y'all what I just did. So of course y'all just saw me fertilize these azaleas for the second time, right? Well, this happened. So I went to Walmart to get some eyelashes of all things, because I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup tomorrow at work. So I popped into the garden center and saw these. $12.84. And they bloom on old and new wood, spring, summer, and fall. What? This is a dwarf type. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. So, yeah, these may be coming out, but not coming out and going too far. If I do take these out of here, they'll just go to the backyard in the garden bed, and I'm planning for the backyard. I feel like I'm betraying them because I was supposed to really be giving them a shot and trying to figure out what's wrong with them and everything. But yeah, I don't know if I can resist 3 seasons worth of blooms, beautiful blooms. These will bloom just the one time, and then they'll be done for the year. So yeah, I'm a trader a little bit, but I had to show y'all this before I got out of here. So with that being said, thank y'all for joining me, and see y'all in the next one. Make sure you like and subscribe.
No, I really can't complain. Everything is straight. I've been on the way.